Hi guys, welcome back to PhotoBite. I'm Josh and today we're going to be checking out Rotolight's ANOVA Pro 3. Let's get into it. It's been about a year since our last review of a Rotolight product, which was the AEOS 2 Pro, and it's been 7 years since their last update of the ANOVA. It has all of the bells and whistles that you'd come to expect from the Pro versions of the Neo 3, the AEOS 2 and the Titan series. So now they're all coming together as one, but with the ANOVA Pro 3, we've got some amazing new bells and whistles that I'm really excited to show you today. So this light is the most powerful 1x1 light in its class at over 22,000 lux. It is an RGB WW light with a TLCI rating of 99, which makes it incredibly color accurate and can produce millions of colors, which we'll get into a little bit later. If you've used Rotolight's other fixtures before, such as the Neo, the AEOS and the Titan series, you're going to be extremely familiar with the ANOVA Pro 3 system here. It's touchscreen, it has all of the dials as well for really nice accuracy. You're going to feel at home using this fixture. It has the same amazing touchscreen, which is incredibly responsive and makes it really easy to use. So this brings the ANOVA Pro 3 in line and up to date with the rest of Rotolight's fixtures. The ANOVA Pro 3 shares a lot of functionality with the AEOS 2 and the Neo 3. That includes the flash system, the gels and filters with again thousands from Lee and Roscoe, the effects system and the Master of Lights pack, which includes a whole bunch of presets for the gels and for the effects for you to play with. This fixture includes 2 V-Lock batteries for easy power on the go, has a power consumption of 200 watts, which makes it incredibly efficient for a fixture of this brightness. If you own a previous generation of ANOVA Pro and have accessories for it, all of those accessories will work on the Pro 3. That includes the barn doors, the egg crates, and the smart softbox will all function perfectly on the ANOVA Pro 3. Talking of the smart softbox, it can be controlled over DMX, and now this light has the addition of CRMX. Almost every setting on the ANOVA Pro 3 can be controlled via DMX or over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth using the Rotolight app. My favorite killer feature from the ANOVA Pro 3 is the addition of the Magic Eye. And that's a light-based sensor built into the front of the fixture itself, which enables you to grab color, temperature, and green and magenta readings from any source. Every brand of light out there is very different, and this makes it extremely quick and easy to match the ANOVA Pro 3 with any other light fixture out there. My favorite way to use Magic Eye is with image-based lighting. With one click of a button pointing the ANOVA Pro at the volume, I can easily get color and temperature readings to reproduce a perfect matching light. The second biggest upgrade to this light is it's now IP65, which makes it incredibly weatherproof. And to explain the next great feature of the ANOVA Pro 3, I'm going to hand you off to Josh. Thanks Josh, and now for the Rotolight weather report. It's wet. One of the most important and useful new features of the ANOVA Pro 3 is the IP65 rating, which means it can perform in this rain or in a sandstorm. No matter where you are, you're going to have some killer bright light on set, no matter how wet you get. Thank you very much, and back to you at the studio, Josh. Thanks Josh for explaining that killer new feature. The ANOVA Pro 3 is going to retail for around $3 grand, but the Kickstarter campaign starts today for you to get an early bird discount, and Rotolight plan on shipping it in March. I hope you've enjoyed this early overview of the ANOVA Pro 3. I've really enjoyed getting hands-on with it myself, and if you're after some more content similar to this, you can check out our reviews from last year of the AEOS 2 and the Neo 3 Pro. They're really, really great and very similar to this product, and I definitely recommend checking them out. Anyways, I've been Josh, this has been PhotoBite. Take care, thank you, bye-bye. Okay.